Yan, how to transition to the digital nomad lifestyle free over sa website now. Oh my gosh! Talagang napakadali na lang talaga, guys. Okay? Napakadali lang talaga. And the good thing about this, if you're going to click this one, click natin yan, it will open up into a new tab doon sa Canva na template mismo which you can edit. Welcome dito sa video natin mga boss. So today we're gonna talk about Canva kasi nga ang Canva daw nandito na daw ngayon sa ChatGPT. Okay, para natin malaman yan, all we have to do is punta tayo ngayon sa ChatGPT. For example dito, right? Punta ka lang dito ngayon sa Explore GPTs. After that, pag ito ka na, all you have to do is search Canva. Boom. Tapos nandito na lahat ng Canva natin, guys. So if we zoom in natin yan, makita natin dito may Canva na, Canva AI. Let's try muna using Canva lang muna, okay? Try ito mag-group 1. Then tingnan natin. So how are we going to do that? Kailangan natin siya i-start chat. So nandito na ngayon, guys, nasa Canva na tayo, guys. As you can see, may Canva na dyan. Nandito, effortlessly design anything, presentation, logo, social media post. Okay, how about an inspiration quote, graphic designer, sabihin ito mga guide. Dito may nakagay na guide. I need a poster for our online store, make an Instagram post about breathtaking. Okay, gagawa ko ngayon ng prompt. But para mas easier ang prompt sa akin, punta ako ngayon sa DeepSeek para kuha ko ng parang prompt. Okay, lagay ko dito, make me a ChatGPT prompt about tapos freelancing theme, something like that. Yan, tapos ang size natin 1080 by 1080, something like that. Okay, that says that's it with prompt. That says okay, that is motivational about freelancing, about online freelancing. Okay, type din yan. Dapat maging specific lang tayo para okay din yung prompt niya, 1080 by 1080. Okay, so ito na yung ChatGPT. Make me a ChatGPT prompt that is motivating about online freelancing, freelancing theme, laptop, digital nomad, work anywhere setup. Okay, work anywhere setup. Okay, tignan natin kung ano bang ilabas ni DeepSeek. Okay, enter natin yan, wait natin mag-load. So after this, magpa-deliver niyang prompt na to, we are going now to transfer sa ChatGPT para i-convert natin kung ano bang pwede may ilagay. So create a motivational, so meron na siyang prompt. So okay, ito na yan. So we're just gonna copy this one. Okay, so yan. Tapos, I'll just gonna copy this. I'll paste it here. Okay? Create a motivating, visually captivating description of an online freelancing theme. The screen should be blah blah blah. Digital nomad sleep laptop surrounded by work anywhere setup. Okay, perhaps cozy cafe. Okay, let's try that one. Ano bang pwedeng ano niya? So, it will ask, Canva wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin.canva.com. So, always click natin allow. And tignan natin ano bang pwede ma-recharge niya. Okay, so may mga Canva na. May mga link na nakalagay siya dito. Tignan natin ano ba yung possible na output niya. That is totally weird. Okay, so may mga picture. Okay, so yan, no? May mga picture na. Social media size guide. Yan, how to transition to the digital nomad lifestyle free over sa website now. Oh my gosh! Talagang napakadali na lang talaga, guys. Okay, napakadali lang talaga. And the good thing about this, if you're going to click this one, click natin yan, it will open up into a new tab doon sa Canva na template mismo which you can edit. Pwede mo itong ma-edit. Let's say for example, you're gonna change this to February, diba? Or March 2025. Yan. Of course, pwede mo ma-change yung mga colors depende sa branding na gusto mo. Yan, for example, like that or this one. So, ikaw na yung bahala. Obviously, you can change this model dito. Pwede mo ma-change dyan. So, change ka lang ng image and then the picture, whatever picture that you want, you can drag it here para maging okay siya. You can change it here to something like that. So, napaka-simple, napakadali na lang po ng Canva sa ChatGPT. Ang trick na lang dito is, are you going to parang do the prompt para mas better siya tingnan. So ayun guys, marami pang update sa Canva pero ito lang yung pinaka the best nga so far nakita ko, which is really helpful para sa atin as freelancer. So yeah, that's it for this episode guys. Subscribe for more. Let's go.